We've got, I don't even know. Okay. Hey guys, you have McGann, and I have got my Lip Monthly for April 2019. Let's find out what we got. Oh, that bag is really cute. I like the little clouds. These are really adorable. Alright, what is inside this month? Ooh. And just to remind you guys, I do have a referral link in the description below, and I would appreciate if you use that if you decide to sign up. Be a bombshell, I guess wicked colored, what are you? Some kind of crown. I guess it's too big to be a lip liner, so it must be a lip crown. Can I Hulk this open? No, I cannot. Give it a little testy test. Okay, we've got almost an orange-red color. That's interesting. And then Hikari, I think that's how you say that? Hikari Matte Lip Gloss in Au Naturel. And I like the nice square tube. Let's see how you look. Okay, well that's really strange because it's kind of like bright pink on this side and then a more nude color on this side. So I don't know if they just didn't mix it very well or what the heck is going on with that. Maybe the applicator's bright pink, but I don't know why they would do the extra to invest in making it a color, but I don't know. It seems to come out the nude color, so maybe it is just a colored applicator. So there's 1, 2 things, and then we have Lip Monthly, just says lipstick, LM, and 04 on the bottom, so who knows? Total surprise on this one. Come on. Open up. Get off of my hands. And we've got a nice little square tube and another kind of orangey color for our lipstick. Let's see, yeah, that one's like a nudish orangey? Peach, maybe? If that's the right word? So there's 3 items, going on to 4 items. We have Bella Pierre Cosmetics Kiss Proof Lip Cream in Coral Stone. Maybe coral's been the theme for everything because that looks like that kind of nudish orangey color. I don't know, I'm not a color genius here. Let's see. Yeah, everything's been kind of the same type of orangey, coral, nudish color. And then we have our last item, which is Lasting Smiles Lip Balm, which is organic passion fruit mango. Nourish your lips, nurture the world. Every purchase helps fund cleft surgeries for children. Oh, I like that. Can't get it out. There it goes. And here is a look at that tube. It's a nice clear color. I'd give it a swatch, but you're not going to see anything. And so here it is. These are our 5 items plus our bag for this month. We have a lip gloss, a lip cream, a lip crown, a traditional lipstick that says Lip Monthly on it, and our Helping Cleft Palates chapstick. Hope you've enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and check out that referral link in the description. And because that's about it, I will see you next time, family members.